Welcome back, my dear students. So today I'm going to start your new chapter, that is integers. So before solving the exercise question, let us know what is integers and let us try to understand few rules which we should know before solving exercise question and answer. So without wasting time, let us start. So first we should know what is integer. Integers, all counting numbers. I have taught you the natural number, whole number, right? Natural number, whole number, they are all counting numbers. So all counting numbers which is not a fraction. So natural number and whole number, they are not a counting fraction, right? And it can be a positive or a negative. So all counting number, including your natural number and whole number except 0, okay, they are called your integers. And these integers can be negative or positive, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a positive integers, and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So this is called negative integers, and these integers can be represented on a number line. So in a number line, we can represent the integers. So this is a number line, and this is 0. All right, this is neither positive or negative integer. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. So on a right hand side, this is called your positive integer, and on a left hand side, it is called your negative integers. I hope this is clear to you what is integers. Now let us move to the next. Dear students, there are 4 signs, right? We know that there are 4 signs. They are negative, positive, that is plus, plus, then into, and division, right? Plus and minus, okay, they plays an important role in solving an equation or any kind of sums. And in previous chapter, I have taught you few properties, right? Commutative property, closure property, additive property, isn't it? So here, this plus and minus, it plays an important role. Minus, when 2 minus are there, it becomes positive, okay? And plus and minus, it becomes minus. Plus and plus gives you plus. Am I clear? Now, how does it plays an important role? In a multiplication, if A into A, then the product will be your positive. If both is positive, then the product will be your positive. If one of the number is negative and other is positive, then this will become your negative. And if both the numbers are negative, then this will gives you positive product. So same goes with your division as well. In divisions, what happens? If you divide any number and if both are positive, then you will get positive result. All right. If one of them is negative, then the answer will be your negative. And both are negative, then this negative will cancel out and you will get positive. All right, I hope this is clear to you. In case of positive, in plus, what happens? If you are adding any number and they are positive, okay, then the answer will be your positive. It will come in positive. If it is negative, then what happens? Then also this 2 will get added up, okay, plus, minus, minus, but the sign will remain minus. All right, these 2 will get added. If I have to solve it, then this will become minus A. This will become your minus twice A. So the sign will remain same. All right. Now in subtraction, how does it play a role in subtraction? If one number is positive, okay, other is negative, right? One positive, one negative, you will get 0. All right, if this is positive, this is negative, then this is called a 0. If both is negative, here also, okay. If it is like this, minus A, minus, minus A, okay. Here what happened? This minus, minus will become plus. And ultimately the answers will come 0. All right. Now suppose you have to minus this. See what happens, suppose this is bigger number and this is smaller number. So you have to subtract this A from 5. So you will get C, right? And the sign will be your minus. Why it will be minus? Because the greater number from which we are subtracting is a negative. Therefore, the result will be negative. All right. I hope this is clear to you. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Now in integers, These are the rules of science, okay? Now, there are two more points which you should know, and they are, number one is your additive inverse. Additive inverse property, and other is your absolute value of any number. In additive inverse, so you can say when you add a number, suppose A is the number, okay? When you add a number with the opposite sign of the same number, okay? When you add a number of the opposite sign of the same number, suppose A is positive, then its opposite will be what? Minus A or not, right? So when you add same number with opposite sign, what you will get? You will get 0. So this is called your additive inverse. Like a number, when we add to a given number, it yields 0. Suppose if it is minus A, then what will be the opposite one? Plus A. So what are we getting? We are getting 0. So this is your additive inverse. I hope this is clear to you. Now what is absolute value? 6. Okay, absolute value is a numerical value. If I say 6 and minus 6, its numerical value is same. Both is 6. How? If you put 6 here, you will be getting 6. This is how you have to write absolute value. So the numerical value is same. Even if you write 6, the absolute value of 6 is 6 and absolute value of minus 6 is 6. I hope this is clear to you. So these are few introductory part of this chapter which will help you to learn how to solve the textual question and answer. Alright, I hope this is clear to you. So let me repeat it again. What did I taught you here? I taught you what is integers. So what are integers? They are counting numbers. Alright, all natural numbers, whole number, right? They are what? They are integers, and it can be positive or negative. Alright, so positive integers and negative integers, you can represent this on a number line. Then second thing, we learn about the signs, rule of sign, that how plus and minus plays an important role in division, in multiplication, in addition and in subtraction. Alright. Then third, we learn about the additive inverse property of a number or anything, additive inversity of property and absolute value of a number. So additive inverse property is the opposite sign, okay? A number with opposite sign. If it is plus, then its additive inverse will be in negative, right? If it is minus 6, suppose minus 6, then what will be the additive inverse of this? Additive inverse will be 6. All right. So I hope this is clear to you. So I want you to learn this property. All right. So in my next class, I shall be teaching you the exercise question and answer. So till then, you learn this property and it will help you to understand better. So this is all for today's class. So I will see you in my next class and we are going to solve exercise question and answer. Till then, take care.